So in terms of bankruptcy options, you have several choices. But for an individual, you're mainly looking at a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which is a liquidation, or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is a reorganization. What I tell my clients, on the one hand, the Chapter 7 bankruptcy sort of wipes out all your debt. You never pay anything back. On the other hand, the Chapter 13 bankruptcy is used to sort of do a repayment plan. In most instances, but not all, it may be dictated by the client's needs of what they're trying to accomplish and what's going on with them. For instance, I have many clients who are behind on their family home, on their house. They haven't made their mortgage payments for many years. And in that instance, we're trying to catch them up if they're trying to save the home. So we would file a Chapter 13 to allow these folks to pay the mortgage back over time. On the other hand, I many times will get folks who, in a different instance, will need credit card debt or medical bills or loans that they have just wiped out. They need relief from that. Then what we'll do is study their circumstances, see what their income is, what assets they have. If their income is low enough and there's no other problems, we can many times do a Chapter 7 for these folks and wipe out all that debt, again, so long as there's no problems. It is complicated, but that's our job, to make sure that there's no problems in the folks' case, and we take a lot of pride in that. We will study what assets folks have. Many times you can own a house and a vehicle, and people don't realize that, and you can own these assets and still do a Chapter 7 and wipe everything out and not lose your assets. You can keep your house and keep your car in many instances. So that's something we'll take our time with our clients, find out what's going on with it, and advise them properly.